Hello students, today we'll be doing book exercises of lesson number 8, Air and Water. So let's start. Track your progress, page number 77. You have to do these exercises in the book itself. Fill in the blanks. The process of changing water into water vapor, what is it called? The process by which the water changes into water vapor, it is evaporation. When water is heated, it turns into water vapor or steam, right? The falling of heavy water droplets in the form of rain is called precipitation. Okay? So you remember water cycle na? Evaporation, condensation and precipitation. Precipitation is falling of water droplets from the sky. Right? Third one, Earth is surrounded by a thick layer of air which is called atmosphere. What is atmosphere? It is a thick layer of air around the earth. Dash gas is used by plants to prepare food. So which is that gas? Carbon dioxide. Plants are using carbon dioxide from the air for preparing food, for photosynthesis. Okay. In extremely cold climate, the raindrop fall as snow. So precipitation, you remember different forms of precipitations. So when it is extremely cold climate, the raindrops, they freeze and they fall on the ground as snow. Then fill in the blanks, page number 79. On page number 78, I hope everybody has made the diagram of water cycle, right? Okay. So fill in the blanks, page number 79. First one, the three forms of water are dash, dash and dash, solid, liquid and gas. Dash is the major source of water. Which is the major source of water? Rain. Air contains gases, water vapor and dust. Dash may fall as hailstone, drizzle or sleet. So precipitation. What is precipitation? Falling of water from the sky now in the form of rain. It may be in the form of hailstones or it may be in the form of sleet or drizzle. Dash is the process by which the water vapor changes into water. So it's condensation. What happens in condensation? The water vapors, they cool down and they turn back into water droplets. Right. True, false. So true, false is also on page number 79. Moving air is called wind. So it's true. Yes, it's correct. Moving air is called wind. There is no water present in fruits and vegetables. It's false. Water is present in fruits and vegetables. Water is needed for the growth of plants. True. Plants are living things and plants need water to grow. Human beings need carbon dioxide for breathing. False. Human beings need oxygen for breathing. Water droplets join to form clouds. True. So water droplets, what happen? When they join together, what is formed? Clouds are being formed. D exercise. Name any 4 activities where we use water and answer the questions that follow. So uses of water, we use water for washing clothes, washing utensils. You can write any of them, any 4 of them, for cooking, for watering plants, for bathing, for household work, right? Right. Then the question is, which one uses the most amount of water? So according to you, whatever 4 answers you have written, so according to you, which of the above answers is consuming the most of water? So you can write gardening, you can write bathing. If there are a lot of family members in your house, you can write bathing also. If there is no garden, so least consumption of water for putting into the plants. So the answer depends upon you. You can write according to your wish. Which one uses the least amount of water? So I think cooking needs least amount of water. Washing clothes also need lot of water, right? How can we reduce the usage of water in all these activities? How can we minimize the use of water in all these activities? By keeping the check on tap leakage, first of all. Okay, so we have to check if any tap is leaking. We have to get it repaired, and using water very efficiently. बहुत ही ध्यान से पानी को use करना, because water is limited. Drinking water is limited. Okay. Why do we need to reduce usage of water? So the usage of water need to be reduced. Why? Because water is essential for the survival of all living beings. All living things need water. Okay, human beings, animals, plants all need water. We cannot survive without water. So we need to take care of water usage. Okay, drinking water is limited and we need to save it. So do these exercises in your book itself.